Welcome. This episode we're going to build part 6-04, the piston for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we're going to be building part 6-04, the piston for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So let's go File New, Part MMGS. So this piece is actually made up of two parts. We've got File New, 604 piston brass. So we can go to front plane, sketch. It's going to be a line. So we're going to start here, go across, up, across, down, across, up, across, down, across, and down. There we go. Let's start with dimension first. Let's see now, 51. Sorry, 50, not 51. It's going to be 50. And then, hold on. Undo that. Do that again. I made a mistake. That point to that point. Nope, that didn't work. That point to that point. Okay, that's going to be 25. Let me actually put... Hold on. Let me go center line. I should put center line in first. There we go. And that's going to be smart dimension. From there to there will be 8. There we go. That's better. From there to there will be 50. And then from this point to the center line will be 38. Yep, 38. This point and this point will be... Nope, no dimension, sorry. These 2 points, or lines, either one works, will be horizontal. There we go. Now, this line to that line will be 24. This one will be 12. This line and this line will be equal. And that's almost locked it up, not quite. Oh yeah, I see. So center line to there will be 11. What was that? Don't locked in yet. It's not locked in yet. Oh, get a dimension, thank you. Oh. Hold on. Oh, okay, yeah. This line and this line will be equal as well. But this line here will be vertical. There we go. It's now locked in. That's all dimensions. 11, 8, 38, 50, 12, 24. Alright, so now we go feature, revolve boss base. That goes around that perfectly. And that's done. And that is actually brass. Now, this one here is going to have a thread in it. So if we go to plane, put that one there, 10 mil. 10 mil. Thank you. Don't know what I need one on the other side. I'm just going to put in there for reference now. If we don't, we always take it out. We'll just hide it. But we want that one to be... unhide everything. Plane. That one, there we go. Now the couple things selected. Alright, so let's go to Hole Wizard, Thread. And I said 8, didn't I? Yes. and that's going to be 8. It is. So we want the circle first. We want that one there. Up to selection. And that plane there. And extrude. And done. Oh, that's right. It's going to go through. That's fine. I make them invisible. Now, if we do sketch on this one, let me just do a circle. We want don't need a dimension on there. If you want everything to be finalized, you can, but this won't be shown on the final blueprint when you do blueprints. But we want extrude cut and the opposite way. Let me just go 25. Done. There we go. Now, to get this one out of the way, we want to go there, sketch, circle, go to about there. There you go. Yeah, that's the right one. Then go to feature, extrude cut, go the opposite way. Let's cover everything and okay. And that should be smooth there. It is beautiful. Look at that. Let's double check. Yeah, that's looking good. Looking good. Just spin it around to there. Actually, spin it that way. I've got to look up how to turn that shadow off. All right, that's part 604, the piston brass section. Now we need to build the 604 piston Teflon section. So let's go to File, New, Part MMGS, and that's going to be front plane, sketch. It's going to be, let's put a center line in this time. There we go. There's going to be a simple square. Goes dimension. Now this is going to be 51. The center point's going to match the center point of. Oh, sorry. Back up. Get rid of 51. That's not 51. My apologies. Those two are going to be vertical. This top one to there is going to be 51. There we go. And then that's going to be from there, that's going to be 38. And that's going to be 12. Oh, get rid of that completely. Thank you. Oh, went too far. Sketch 12. There we go. Now we want a revolve base boss. Center point is there. And done. But that's not brass. That's going to be Teflon, which is, I think we just put under rubber. Put matte rubber. There we go. Save that one. 6-04. Could be that one, but still brass. Gonna put Teflon. Teflon. Okay, let's go to File, New, Assembly MMGS. Click on that one. We want to put the brass in, and we want to put the Teflon in. There we go. And okay. Now let's do mate. Mate that side. Do that side. Slide that a bit. Thank you. Outer circle to inner circle. And that is good. Let's do that one. Oh, that looks really good. Yeah, see, it's a little bit bigger than the brass. The Teflon, I believe, because this piston will be causing the suction inside, like the pressure. But you don't want the brass scraping on there, so that's why it's doing that. Which makes a lot of sense. That worked out pretty good. Let me just double check. Yeah, it lined up good. You go that way. There we go. I'm not going to save this assembly because we're going to do that when we build the... Actually, you know what? Let me just save it quickly. That is part 6-04 piston with a brass and Teflon assembly for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.